Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can easily turn off time-dependent notifications in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also subscribe to this channel. So, let us get started with you. If you want to turn off such urgent notifications in Instagram, you will need to go to your phone settings and then scroll down to the bottom and find Instagram under notifications. When you go to Instagram, you'll see the notifications section. Click on it. And now find this section called Urgent Notification, which always comes immediately. And as you can see down here in the description, it says that these notifications, they come to your lock screen and they stay there for an hour. But if you don't want them to be there, to come and stay on your lock screen for that long, then you can easily turn off those urgent notifications just by clicking on this button next to them. That's the very simple way, friends, you can easily turn off time-sensitive notifications on your Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.